Here are some other summaries of popular CBT interventions. But cognitive restructuring, it's a core component of cognitive behavioral therapy. And much like the graph, it challenges irrational or negative thought patterns. And we learn to recognize these patterns and then reframe them, much as we did in the XY graph. And the way therapists often use techniques like thought records, where a thought pops up and you write it down, and then we give our clients a table of cognitive distortions, and it's a 10-point table of the different ways your brain thinks. And when you catch yourself doing something like all or nothing thinking, for example, then we know, oh, the brain took over, and I've got to again regain perspective, so I can say, well, is it really always this way? Am I always a loser? Or, you know, do I always have financial problems? Or, you know, no, about 90% of the time. Okay, so 10% of the time I don't. So what do I do during that 10% of the time? And how do I expand on that, right? Because we're trying to balance your life through thoughtfulness.